The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch? Dancehall.
Everyone, my name is John Calder, a second-year student of the University of Technology. I'm currently pursuing a degree in science and education. So what I'm majoring in at the moment is chemistry and mathematics. For approximately 8 years, I've been selling donuts just to send myself to school, right? You know it's hard for a moment sometimes, and that didn't really have it, you see? And from me young, I just always have a mentality to be independent. So I resort to deal with my hustling, where I sell donuts. My mother introduced me to the business, and I just say I go and deal with it the right way. You see, because I'm not the type to beg or thief. You see, I'm the hustle for mine. So maybe basically I ask for support. You see, myself at North Odeon Avenue in Alpha Tree, right in front of Burger King, right? I'm a donut myself. You see, and just like phone support the business, you see, really and truly. If I even for motivate me, you see it, motivate me, cause it's kind of rough out there. After I run up and down from police, metro, and everything.
Yeah, viewers and subscribers, and I beg them and I beg people money for push in and pocket, I support them and I look for him business, You see, anyone who wants to work hard for their honest money instead of begging people for their money, I respect them. Anyone who wants to work hard for their honest money, I respect them. You see, the man in the video said some things that gave me the understanding that he said that he sell donuts at Halfway Tree, that's in St. Andrew, Jamaica. See, there's the video, you can hear the things that he said, viewers and subscribers. You see, big him up. Yeah, big him up. I respect this man, you see. Anyways, big up and respect to each and everyone. My name is Dancehall Skilla, I'm there again, you see? Yeah, big up. And I have more videos that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers. But before I present another video to you, my viewers and subscribers, I would like to encourage each and everyone who are new to my channel to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Alright? The next video I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, this video had been recorded within the country that is known as Guyana. I do not know when the video had been recorded. And for some reason, some persons on social media found some of the things that have been shown and said in this video to be funny. As for me, I think it's 50-50. Anyways, this video is going to show some things that happened when a police officer from within the country of Guyana was trying to arrest a person. This video also shows how the civilian got away from the police officer and also ran away from the police officer. I don't know if the police officer caught the civilian later on, you see. Anyways, one of the reasons why I am presenting this video to you is because the video is being talked about on social media. I'm also presenting the video to you so that you can take a look at the video and tell me what you think about some of the things that have been shown and said in this video. You can tell me if you think the video is funny or if you think it is not funny, and you can tell me what you think overall about the video. See? Now, please bear in mind that this video shows a civilian and a police officer shoving and pushing each other, and some things have been said in this video that some of you, my viewers and subscribers, might not want to hear. So therefore, before I present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video, take a look, listen and observe.
Naki! Naki, why you Naki? Why you Naki? Now you go to jail. Yeah. Hey, 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 hey. Ignorant and disrespectful. Go in the car. Go in the car. Go in the hey.
Bring my bag. Man, I can beat you up and
Beat you up.
You ain't set. Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
Hey, don't. You're tearing me up.
See what I say? You want to have you close? You want to have you close? You want to have your fucking close?
Hey,
You want to kill me?
let him not kill.
You want to cuss me? You want to cuss me?
He ain't cuss you.
Eh, you want to cuss me? Eh, you want to cuss me?
Knocky, why you knocky?
Say it again now.
I know why
Say it again, you motherfucker. Say it. Say the word again now. And you use fucking wife. Use my, you don't be fucking old lady.
Then I'm still coming.
I don't care.
Holy,
Hey, use
holy.
Officer, just hold it.
Look,
Alright. Man, let it go.
let you out officer, you catch him.
Well, viewers and subscribers, if that man was not in trouble with the law within the country of Guyana from before, then I think that this video shows at least one thing that he had done that might get him into trouble with the law within the country of Guyana. See? So, if that man at the end of the day don't get into any form of trouble with the law within Guyana, then I think he's a lucky man. You see? The next video I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers. This video is going to show two females who had been accused of scamming persons out of their money. Yeah, this video is going to show two females handcuffed together who had been accused of telling persons lies while communicating with persons through mobile devices in order to get their money. I don't have any confirmed information as to where or when the video be recorded. And in this video, you're going to hear at least one person yelling and shouting at least one of those females who had been accused of scamming. I do not know if those persons who accused those females of scamming had pressed any charges. I don't have any confirmed information about that. I don't have any information as to if they went to jail or if the females had been set free or what. You see what I'm saying? However, I'm presenting the video to you so that you can take a look at it because the video is being talked about on social media. You see what I'm saying to you? And I hope that persons can learn something from this video. See? Yeah, I hope so. Anyways, some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
Everything.
sorry? You're a devil.
Yes. Yes, you will.
You're a devil.
5 years.
You're going to jail.
She stayed
I'm
doing
pressing
now.
charge now, put you
She
and you in
leave for
jail.
done. She stayed doing now. This lady doing the thing over 5 years. Right
Yeah,
now.
but you keep telling us lies. You tell me that you went into the hospital. You got me coming all the way from the Jamaica to drop money for you. No, you have to go to lockup because there is a very serious offense to do. You will look at you much thing with the guy by there today for you. No, you, but who was messaging me on the WhatsApp? No, something is definitely wrong with you people. No, but the thing is, you all keep lying. The whole public hospital we walk in today. No, you are going to lock up because there's a lot of things. Over $100,000 thing we don't give you.
Why did you do this to me? Why did you rob me? What happened?
Let me tell you. That baby, this is not a baby bother, but she just helped me with the baby.
But why you two robbed me, man?
No, me not rob you.
So what did you do with all the money?
The money we give you.
Yes.
Me buy things with you.
For who?
For me. And
But why you lied to me? Why did you lie to me? I keep giving you money.
You tell us you're in the hospital today.
Because I bought you.
So where the baby?
The baby gone home.
Didn't you
You
tell
tell-
me that baby's in
In
surgery?
surgery?
today?
Me?
You told me the child is in surgery.
Now look, the police are right here.
I've been a dog to you.
You pretend to be the nurse.
You pretend to be the nurse.
pretend to
Sister,
be the
use
nurse.
Nurse Nelson.
I am not helping you. I am jailing you. Arrest both of them.
No, we can't help y'all. Y'all scam me tomorrow.
Jano, viewers and subscribers, when I see a man or a woman of certain age get themselves in certain form of trouble with the law, it just make me feel a way, you know? It just make me feel a certain way I can't even explain. You know what I mean? Me know say that nobody not supposed to do anything wrong, you know. I mean, say nobody not supposed to do anything illegal, you know. No, it's not supposed to happen. You see me I say? But when it comes on to a man or a woman of certain age, it make me feel even more certain way, you know. In my point of view, it seems as if those two females had been arrested and they are being threatened that they are going to be sent to jail. You see me? Yeah, it seems so to me, you know. It just look away. It look away. And that's something I've got left with you, my people. So big up and respect. Let me know what you think about the videos that I presented to you. And until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. I'm in name Dancehall Skilla, you know? You know, big up on yourself. You see?
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Hear me now? Hey, yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla Detained.